What's up, YouTube crew? Patrick here from Cards R Us. Pumped to have another Star Wars Galaxy hobby box opening for y'all. I opened this on the channel about 2 or 3 months ago when it first came out. I think I paid $100 at my local card shop for the box, and now it retails for $240, $250. And it's one of those boxes where I've just been thinking about it nonstop ever since. I had such amazing breaks, and the cards just are in such demand, and people are so fond of them, and they're going for, you know, the singles and the inserts. A lot of the cards are just going for really decent prices, just because they're so sought after, and the artwork's amazing, the printing's amazing. It's just such a unique set. So I picked up another box, had to treat myself, and I'm gonna open it up with you. Here it is. This is it. Beautiful. Last time I did this, like I said, I think it's one of those boxes that's like hard to like be unimpressed with, just because of the amount of unique styles and designs that this comes with. And so we'll see. Let's give it a whirl. I remember just the first time I opened this box, I was so impressed with every pack. So I'm so excited to do this. Okay, here we go. First card. Let's see, we got Darth Maul. Looks like we got another one. So I wonder if one of them is a refractor. Yep, this is the refractor. Very cool. And this is, we got the Stormtrooper here. Daniel Logan, Mandalorian. Fun story. I actually randomly used to work with Daniel Logan. Just met him at through a coworker, and he was so nice. He gave us access to one of the conventions that he was working at, because I kind of was working in that space for a little bit, the convention space. So he was always so generous. He does a lot of autographs at conventions. Here's a Rey. I actually have this from the last one, but this would be a nice one if it was numbered. I think I saw some folks selling it online. Darth Vader. And here we've got, let's see, this is numbered to 150, Battle of Hoth. And then Jawas. Yeah, I couldn't believe I paid $90 for, you know, this, or $100 when this first came out, and didn't expect it to become this popular, to be honest, but it did. And you guys can see why. Okay. Here. Okay. Got this Rey. It's a refractor. There's the Falcon. Good. Yeah, like I haven't gotten this card. Mace Windu. Han Solo action. I think I have this Chewbacca card. And then we got C-3PO, so refractor Chewbacca. And then, excuse me, base C-3PO. Okay, little droid action here. And then we got Refractor. Seeing visions of the Jedi. This is one of the throwback posters. I think I got Italy last time. I think this is the one that comes in a different language. It was cool to check out. And this one's, whoa, cool. 1 of 99. Very cool. Awesome. That's pretty neat. A 1 of 99. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. And then this is just a base Vader card. Wow. Every time I open each package, I did not know what to expect. I just picked this box up because I was really enjoying opening up Star Wars, and Chrome Perspectives was the last one I was messing around with. Okay, cool. Qui-Gon. I would love to have a numbered Qui-Gon. This is a base. Then we got the Mandalorian Refractor. I'm sorry, Jango Fett. And yeah. Alright, 20 more to go. So far so good. I'm really stoked about that. 1 out of 99. Nice. I forget what these guys are called. Yeah, the Gamorreans. Okay. This is sweet. This would be a nice refractor. Little Padme action. This is a refractor. I have this card too. Cool. Alright, here we go. I've not seen this card. And then what language is this? Oh, we have our auto. Lyra Urso. Very cool. Awesome. I had a feeling that was the auto because it was kind of stuck. Very Israel. Very sweet. That's awesome. Very cool. Here's our auto. It's not numbered. I think I'm gonna, since the third card is the refractor, I'm gonna probably just start showing that one last. Okay. Cool. The gang. Maul, Hayden, Lolo, Anakin. That's just a cool base card though. Alright, here we go. Ooh, cool. So we've got a refractor of Mr. Darth Maul. I think I have this card in base as well, so can't go wrong with Darth Maul. It's a great card for the Darth Maul fans. Little Tusken Raiders. And then we got a little refractor of our friends. We're right back here. This is more Hoth. And then we got villain action figures. vintage Star Wars, yeah. So let's see. Cool. Yeah, I love the vintage poster. Super unique. All right. Luke. Ewok. Celebration. And that one. Ooh, Emperor Palpatine. Very nice. Just like a base refractor there. Mace Windu's Death. It's just a base card. Looks like we got a Mace Refractor. Unite. I don't have that one. And I do have Hero Action Figures. So 2 refractors. Love a good Mace Windu refractor. That's a nice, that's very cool. Han Solo, more Han, Padme, cool. Okay, cool. A refractor French poster for New Hope. Yeah, see, there's I probably won't collect all the posters, but someone is, and so maybe I'll put these up online for sale for whoever wants those. Okay. And then, this is a refractor, by the way. That's cool. Okay. Sweet. Can't go wrong with a little Mando Grogu card. Alright. Luke. Oh, nice. Let's see, is this just a refractor? Yeah, this is cool. This is the cover of the box, the artwork on the box. Nice and clean. I like this card. Got it again as a base. A little Chewy. And then we got droids. A little refractor. Okay. And we're down to our last pack, believe it or not. So, Jango, Darth, and then last card, Boba, numbered to 50. Awesome, can't complain. Pretty sweet. Next. I think I have this card numbered to 99 or 150, so not gonna, yeah, I mean, this is pretty sweet. Cool. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Give this video a like. Again, you know, I've so many channels and creators on YouTube who have inspired me to share my rips. Let me quickly kind of recap here, but yeah, we got a couple of numbered cards. This one to 150, This action figure card, $10.99. Let's see what else. We got our auto of Jyn Erso's mother, I'm presuming. And this is the other one we got. So to 50 Boba. So for, you know, a lot of refractors that I think would look really neat slabbed. I have just a bunch of other ones sitting here on my desk. I just submitted to, I'm gonna do a PSA reveal for y'all coming up soon. I'm excited about it because I actually purchased a autographed Hayden Christensen Anakin Skywalker card, and I had to submit it to PSA because it's a mini grail for me. It's a mini grail. It wasn't, you know, anything crazy, but definitely a card I want encased. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. You know, things have started to open back up. People are out and about at card shows again. It feels good, it looks good. And so, yeah, the hobby is definitely on fire. So I can feel it, I can see it just from watching YouTube videos. I went to a couple local shows, and it's a great time to be a part of it. I'm so excited about the next, you know, year and beyond. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out, and talk to you soon.